Larkin misses from the outside. We're tied at 2, 9:28 to play in the first. Williams using the Lopez screen. He'll fire again. I think he just likes shooting here at the Garden. Williams defended by the 6'7" Lido. Gets screened by Young. Kick out. Johnson over Thomas. Book it. A three. Rimming, no. Amundsen couldn't grab it. Young, what a save. Thaddeus Young going all out. Williams crossover lob. Lopez the finish. Deron Williams and Brook Lopez. The chemistry is tangible. Knicks are 14-60, the most losses in franchise history. Anderson hands to Williams. Trying to fake out Lido. 10 to shoot. Crossover. Williams the blow by. And the floater. Deron Williams knew exactly what he wanted to do.
Not so sure Lido has seen that type of crossover.
We'll hit the 2-minute mark. First quarter. Switch back. Diagonal feed. Williams pump fake on a three. Drives in. Short. Williams the follow. Deron Williams doing a little bit of everything here in the opening quarter. Andrea Bargnani, that's one thing he's always been able to do, and that's shoot, especially for a 7-footer.
Yeah, and he's had trouble this year playing, but he's been playing a little better lately.
Williams sets it up for Anderson, taking the baseline. Knicks are shooting it at 53%. The Nets are at 48%. Williams spins on the inside. Deron Williams. Pretty. Williams pull-up jump. Oh, he's feeling it. Deron Williams, a three.
Beautiful screen, too, by Lopez. The timing there again.
Wrapping up a 5-year, $50 million deal. Williams to the rim. He missed it. Follow is good. Deron Williams for the second time tonight, following his own miss and doing it all in one motion. Larkin races back defensively. Young sets the screen. It's a switch. Williams against Thomas. Williams, baseline, scoop. Oh! Deron Williams has major bounce tonight. He has scored the last 9 for Brooklyn, and the Knicks have no answers for D-Will.
Yeah, totally under control with the combination of drives, the 2 tips that we've seen on his missed shots where he's finished it off. And a beautiful drive. I mean, that's just basic basketball. You try to get the hips and shoulders by the defender. Well done. Nobody home for the finish.
Here's Joe Johnson. Shot clock is down to 10. Williams a three. Bottom. Deron Williams likes Manhattan.
He is getting spring, isn't he? Either driving to the basket or just his lift on his jumper. The legs look very, very good.
Shot clock winding down. Kick for Johnson. Count it. It's a three. Johnson against Thomas. Williams fires. He's got it. A three.
Boy, the break didn't bother him at halftime, did it? The lift is just perfect on his jump shots, and that allows for a shooter to get good extension with your hand, and you get with that, you get the great rotation on the basketball.
Thomas fakes on the help. 8 on the timer. Williams, fake. Shot clock winding down. Williams lines it up and knocks it down. Deron Williams is locked and loaded. Johnson does, and he moves it ahead. Williams with a hop in his step. Great find. Brown the finish. Everything is clicking right now for Brooklyn. Torrid shooting pace. Williams. Whoa. It goes. Deron Williams a three. D-Will has 26. 6 rebounds, 5 assists. Williams the bounce. Lopez the push shot. Neither team has scored in 2 minutes. It's been a good news, bad news scenario. The bad news for the Nets, they can't produce points. The good news, neither can the Knicks. Lopez to the rim. He finishes, taking it hard to the hole.